Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss about secondary cell and fuel cell. First, we are discuss secondary cell like निकिल कैडमियम सेल या निकिल कैडमियम बैटरी. निकिल कैडमियम सेल it consists of cadmium anode and metal grid containing nickel dioxide and electrolyte is act as potassium hydroxide. In nickel cadmium cell, it consists of cadmium anode and metal grid containing nickel dioxide, and this cell electrolyte act as potassium hydroxide KOH. In this cell, like nickel cadmium cell or nickel cadmium battery, following reaction takes place. At anode, cadmium plus 2OH from potassium hydroxide. ये कहाँ से आया? तो from KOH. Cadmium react with potassium hydroxide is equal to cadmium hydroxide. This is oxidation process. We know that at anode oxidation always takes place. At cathode, nickel dioxide react with water to form nickel hydroxide. This is reduction process. Overall reaction in this cell means overall reaction in nickel cadmium cell during discharging process. Overall reaction during discharging process OH, 2OH and 2H. 2H in this reaction left side and 2OH in this reaction right side. OH is cancelled. 2 electron and 2 electron is cancelled. Adding this equation, oxidation and reduction. Adding this equation, overall reaction during discharging process, cadmium plus nickel oxide plus 2H2O equal to cadmium hydroxide plus nickel hydroxide. During discharging process, cadmium plus nickel dioxide plus H2O plus cadmium hydroxide plus nickel hydroxide. This is solid. And this reaction is reverse during चार्जिंग प्रोसेस. इस रिएक्शन को अगर हम रिवर्स कर दें तो ये चार्जिंग प्रोसेस का निकिल कैडमियम बैटरी का रिएक्शन हो जाएगा. ड्यूरिंग चार्जिंग प्रोसेस कैडमियम हाइड्रोक्साइड CdOH का होल ट्वाइस प्लस NiOH का होल ट्वाइस इज इक्वल टू कैडमियम प्लस during charging process of nickel cadmium cell is this reaction, or during discharging process of nickel cadmium battery this reaction. तो in nickel cadmium battery and nickel cadmium cell, it consists of cadmium anode and metal grid containing nickel dioxide, and in this cell electrolyte is potassium hydroxide. So at anode oxidation always takes place. This is oxidation process. At cathode reduction always takes place. This is reduction process. Adding both process, oxidation as well as reduction, then overall reaction during discharging process, cadmium plus NiO2 plus H2O is equal to cadmium hydroxide plus nickel hydroxide, and this reaction is reversible for charging process. नेक्स्ट लास्ट हमारा है कमर्शियल सेल में, लास्ट हमारा सेल है फ्यूल सेल, लाइक हाइड्रोजन ऑक्सीजन फ्यूल सेल। फ्यूल सेल, इसमें हम लोग हाइड्रोजन ऑक्सीजन फ्यूल सेल के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। Hydrogen oxygen fuel cell chemical energy can be converted into electrical energy. In this cell means hydrogen oxygen fuel cell, chemical energy can be converted into electrical energy like hydrogen, carbon monoxide, methane, etc. directly into electrical energy are called fuel cell. Again repeat, fuel cell, chemical energy can be converted into electrical energy such as hydrogen, carbon monoxide, methane, etc. directly into electrical energy are called fuel cell, like hydrogen oxygen fuel cell. This diagram is represented hydrogen oxygen fuel cell. There are 3 compartments in hydrogen oxygen fuel cell. 1 compartment, 2 compartment and 3 compartment. 1 compartment filled in hydrogen gas and another compartment filled in oxygen, and last compartment like 3rd compartment filled with concentrated aqueous sodium hydroxide या potassium hydroxide. This is electrolyte. NaOH या KOH act as a electrolyte. So 1 compartment filled in hydrogen, another compartment filled with oxygen, and last compartment means 3rd compartment filled with सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड या पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. In this cell, like hydrogen oxygen fuel cell, following reaction takes place. At anode, we know that at anode oxidation always takes place. The hydrogen react with 2OH. 2OH means from potassium hydroxide या from sodium hydroxide. हाइड्रोजन रिएक्ट विथ पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड या सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड टू फॉर्म वाटर मॉलिक्यूल एंड 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन. दिस इज ऑक्सीडेशन प्रोसेस. एट एनोड रिडक्शन ऑलवेज टेक्स प्लेस. ऑक्सीजन O2 half O2 oxygen react with water molecule to form hydroxide ion. This is oxidation process and this is reduction process. At anode always reduction takes place. At anode always oxidation takes place. At cathode always reduction takes place. Adding both process means oxidation and reduction process are adding 2 electron and 2 electron always cancel. 2 OH and 2 OH always cancel. Overall reaction adding both process H2 plus half O2 plus H2O is equal to 2H2O plus energy. Hydrogen plus half H2O plus H2O प्लस एनर्जी. इस वाटर मॉलिक्यूल को अगर इस साइड लाएंगे तो हमको मिलेगा H2 प्लस हाफ O2 इज इक्वल टू H2O प्लस एनर्जी. देन ओवरऑल reaction takes place in H2O2 fuel cell. This is overall reaction in hydrogen oxygen fuel cell. Again repeat, there are 3 compartments. One compartment filled in hydrogen gas and another compartment filled in oxygen gas, and third compartment filled in electrolyte like NaOH or KOH. There are following reaction takes place: oxidation as well as reduction. At anode oxidation process, at cathode reduction process. H2 plus 2H, 2H means from NaOH or KOH equal to 2H2O, and half O2 plus H2O is equal to 2H minus. Adding this process, then overall reaction takes place. Hydrogen plus half O2 is equal to water molecule plus energy. First of all, this cell was used in Apollo space program. First of all, in this cell is used in Apollo space program. This cell is highly efficient and pollution free. This cell means hydrogen oxygen fuel cell is highly efficient and pollution free cell. So then efficiency of fuel cell, efficiency of fuel cell is equal to useful work done efficiency of fuel cell is equal to useful work done upon heat of combustion into 100. अगर हमको इफिशियंसी निकालना होगा फ्यूल सेल का तो यूजफुल वर्क डन अपॉन हीट ऑफ कंबस्शन इनटू 100. इफिशियंसी को हम ईटा से दिखाएंगे. efficiency is equal to efficiency of fuel cell is equal to means eta is equal to delta G naught upon delta H. Delta G naught upon delta H naught into 100. This is efficiency of fuel cell. या डेल्टा G naught is equal to माइनस n E naught F upon डेल्टा H naught into 100. इसको हम इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं, efficiency of fuel cell is equal to useful work done upon heat of combustion into 100. Efficiency is represented by eta. Eta is equal to delta G naught upon delta H naught. Delta G naught, we know that delta G means change in Gibbs free. Standard change in Gibbs free energy is equal to minus n E naught F, where n is equal to number of electron, E is equal to standard electrode potential, F is equal to Faraday upon change in heat of combustion into 100. This is हाइड्रोजन फ्यूल सेल. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे कोरिजन के बारे में या रस्टिंग के बारे में. थैंक यू वेरी मच.